Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my mom's homemade fudge. Today we also have a special guest, Alex! Let's get started. The 6 special ingredients you need for this homemade fudge is 3 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of butter, 1 can of evaporated milk, 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate morsels, 1 puffed marshmallow, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm putting the 3 cups of sugar into the pot. Next, we're going to put the evaporated milk in there. Next, we're going to put the 3/4 cup of butter with the sugar and evaporated milk. Once you have all your ingredients, you're going to move it over to the stove on medium heat. My mom has always told me that the most important part of fudge is to make sure once you have all your ingredients into the pot and on medium heat, wait for it to boil, and then once that happens, you're going to take we use a wooden spoon at home, so I'm going to use a wooden spoon here too. You're going to stir consistently, and you're not going to stop until the 4 minutes are up. As soon as the 4 minutes are up, you're going to take it off the eye. So once you've stirred it consistently for 4 minutes, you're going to put a whole bag of 12-ounce chocolate morsels.
Semi-sweet, baby.
And then you're going to start stirring that in. Once those are in, you're going to start putting the marshmallow fluff in there. Come on. Be careful, it gets a little sticky. All right, now put the vanilla extract in there. Once you add all the other ingredients, you're going to stir until it's mixed well and kind of like a milky dark chocolate. And then once you're going to go ahead and put it in a Pyrex dish. Alex, do you want to do that?
Sure.
Okay.
Be honored. Once you've poured the mixture into the pan, you're going to leave it overnight to cool.
Thank you
for tuning in.